So how to install a RoundPoint mortgage servicing app. So just tap get and then double click to install it. Securely manage your home loan from anywhere with RoundPoint Mortgage Servicing LLC mobile app. Download it today. With our new app, you can safely access your RoundPoint mortgage loan details, set up one-time recurring payments, or update your account information, all from the palm of your hand. Ready to take the next step in your home ownership journey? Monitor property values and trends near your area with personalized report. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. And then here you just have that. And then you can just register. You can enter, to create an account, you need to enter your last name, SSN, so like ID type, only social security number. And then you just need to enter that. So that's the one you need to use. And then there you have, then you can just log in. So yeah, here's the app. It doesn't have that many ratings, just like, short of 1.5K, but its average rating is quite good. So yeah, there you have it.